Why should we hire you? This is another way of asking what role interested you for this job. A company want to hire you if you can add some values to it. This is one of our important question asked in job interview and on which your selection depends. In fact, this question can come to you in various structures. They may ask you for what valid reason do you believe you are the best possibility for this job, or why do you consider you are a decent qualified for the work. Exceptional qualities do you have that due to which they should pick you, or you realize they have 500 candidates also, for what reasons do you figure you supposed to be picked. You can adjust this response to fit in any of these questions. Here I have explained you a perfect way of answering this question. In the last, I will provide you a sample answer also. So watch this video till the end. Welcome to Marine Red Fox. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe us. While giving answer for this question in interview, you should mainly focus on your skills and how they can be helpful for the position you are being interviewed for. Also, tell them about your abilities to grasp new things quickly, adjust well into a team, and flexible attitude. Length of this answer should not be more than 1 minute. I realize many individuals will tell you to offer this long response, giving you a whole foundation and capabilities. Yet, no, this is a misleading question, and particularly when it comes right at the end of the interview, it should be shoot what's more fresh. However, in an extraordinary circumstances that maybe they don't go through your resume and your capabilities, and they ask you this question right towards the start of the talk, with then perhaps you need to give a somewhat longer logical reply. However, when in doubt, brief maximum. Remember, interviewers should not feel like you already scripted and waiting for this question. It seems like you are giving a fake approach which will reduce the chance of getting placed. Answer to this question should include points like success oriented, growth potential. These kind of thinking will impress the interviewer, and you should always try to give answer which will separate you from other candidates. So make sure you tell answer which will give some advantage over the others, as everyone is holding same professional skills and knowledge, so it's better to make them understand how you are profitable to their organization. As I promised you for a sample answer, here it is. As I studied in different Kendriya Vidyalaya schools, there in my class only 60 to 70% students were from different states of India. So from childhood only it's easy for me to connect with people of having different culture. As we know, on board also we work with people of having different nationality. So it's an advantage for me over the others to make a working and friendly environment with onboard crew. For more updates about new video uploading and website posts, you can directly follow me on my Telegram group Marine Red Fox. Link is in the description box.